What's the meaning of Casey at the bat? Casey at the bat. Casey at the bat.
Casey at the bat. Casey at the bat. Casey at the Bat is a narrative poem written by Ernest Thayer in 1888. It tells the story of the fictional baseball team, Mudville, and their star player, Casey. In the final inning of a close game, Casey comes up to bat with 2 outs and the bases loaded. Despite the anticipation and excitement, Casey strikes out, resulting in Mudville's loss. The poem has become a classic American piece of literature and is often referenced as a symbol of hope and disappointment in sports.